Hello, lovely children. Here I am back, Kritika, your educator, with our book Purvi of grade 6. As you know, we are doing unit 4 and we are doing our chapter, A Change of Heart. We are done with half a part of the chapter in the previous video. Now, in this video, we'll continue doing the remaining part of the chapter where we'll find out how Prabhat, from just a player, became a sports person, how he got all the traits of a sports person, how he understood what a sports person means. Okay, let's start. On that day, everyone was discussing their game and how Prabhat had played so well. Surprisingly, Prabhat could not sleep well that night. He had won the game, but he did not feel as happy as he usually did. So that day, everybody was talking about their game because obviously both played really well. So everybody was praising Prabhat because obviously he won. So everybody was praising that Prabhat played really well. But that night, Prabhat was not able to sleep properly. Is why? Because he was in that guilt. That I won because I cheated. So that was, that ate his brain. That thought was in his brain all the time. So he could not sleep properly. What was surprising was that Surya did not feel bad about losing. What was more surprising that Prabhat saw Surya playing basketball the next day. Prabhat won, still he felt so bad. And what more surprising thing was, Surya did not feel bad about losing at all. In fact, the next day, Prabhat saw him playing basketball in the ground. Okay, Surya was so hopeless at it that he could not score a basket for 10 minutes. Yet, he enjoyed playing the game. His happy smile never left his face. Surya को इतना बुरा लग रहा था that he is playing basketball for a very long time and for last 10 minutes he is not able to take even one basket. So he felt hopeless कि भाई मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा basket. But he did not leave smile. Matlab, the smile never left his face. He was smiling throughout and he was enjoying his game playing throughout. The badminton which he was playing, he was enjoying that game. Prabhat kept a close watch on Surya for some days. थोड़े दिन तक क्या किया प्रभात ने? प्रभात सूर्या की हर एक्टिविटी को नोटिस कर रहा था. He was observing Surya really well. He was great at some things, terrible at other things, but what was common was the enjoyment. Prabhat noticed one thing, that Surya is great in something, Surya is really bad at some things, but there is something common in Surya, that is, Surya always enjoys whatever he does. Whether he loses, he wins, he's terrible, or he's amazing. He always enjoys the game, or he always enjoys whatever activity that he's doing. He enjoyed everything equally. As Prabhat went on with his observation, he realized that to enjoy a game, you did not need a scoreboard to keep a tally of your scores. Prabhat ne Surya se ek cheez सीखी, that if you want to be happy, you don't always need to have a record of or tally of marks or always needs to win a game. That is really not required. That Prabhat learned after observing Surya for a very long time. For few days when he observed, he learned that from Surya. Kept a close watch means observed carefully. Okay, neither did you have to worry about winning and losing. You needed to enjoy the game for its own sake. What matters is trying to do well and enjoying every moment of it. क्या सीखा उसने कि winning and losing doesn't matter. What doesn't matter? Winning doesn't matter, losing doesn't matter. What matters is that you always enjoy the game. You always enjoy the game, or you always do whatever you feel like doing, regardless that you're going to win or you're going to lose. What matters is trying to do well. अब देखो ये नहीं होता कि मैंने गिव अप कर दिया, देखो सूर्या जीता नहीं, बट सूर्या डिड वर्क हार्ड, है ना, उसने बहुत अच्छे गेम तो खेला था ना, वो तो चलो चीटिंग की वजह से ही लॉस्ट द मैच, बट ऐसा नहीं कि उसने अच्छा गेम नहीं खेला. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट डोंट प्ले रियली वेल, यू गिव योर बेस्ट, but also enjoy whatever you're doing and enjoy every moment of it. Prabhat learned something through the observation every day, soon realizing the change in himself. So when he kept on observing Surya, he realized change in himself. He learned those things from Surya and he inculcated those in him. उसने अपने अंदर वो चीजों को उतारा and he could see those changes in him. He had even begun playing hide and seek and felt sad whenever it was about to end. पहले वो गेम खेलता था जिनमें वो जीतता था. He used to always compete, but now he also started playing games for fun like hide and seek. And felt sad whenever it ends. So अब ये hide and seek जब खत्म होता है तब उसको बुरा भी लगता है. He wants to just continue playing. He also started joking while playing badminton. Soon the other students started talking amongst themselves. Good fun playing with Prabhat. That fellow definitely had good sporting spirit. अब क्या हुआ? He also started playing badminton, but this time with a twist. This time, like Surya, he also used to crack jokes, used to have fun while playing badminton. And after a few days, he realized that people started, whispering few things with each other that Prabhat is a good sports person. And playing with that fellow or playing with that person feels really amazing. So, which means that now people were enjoying playing with Prabhat. So, this is how Prabhat's life changed after, observing Surya for a really long time and understanding what Surya or what kind of a person Surya was. Okay, so enjoyment matters more than winning. This is what we have learned from the story. That yes, winning is important, but more than winning, what is important? Enjoying that game. Okay, here we are done with our very nice and lovely chapter, and we have learned a lot of things from this particular chapter. And now we'll start with our question answers. How did Surya feel about playing? उसको क्या feel होता था? Surya felt that one should play with joy and fun. This is what Surya felt, that we should always play with joy and fun. He enjoyed playing the game. His happy smile never left his face. He used to enjoy every game he used to play or every activity that he used to do. He always has a smile on his face. His smile never left his face. Okay. What was it about Surya that Prabhat observed? Now, as I told you, Prabhat observed something about Surya, that Surya always used to find fun in all the activities that he does. Prabhat observed that Surya did not feel bad about losing the game as he did. Prabhat observed that Prabhat felt bad about losing the game, but Surya did not. On the next day, Prabhat observed that Surya never felt bad, even though he had not scored a basket for 10 minutes. Here we are done with the chapter, its explanation and reading, and also with few question answers. We are still left with a lot of question and answers, few activities from our book. So that we are going to do in the next video. Till then, bye.